All right, so I am up early this morning, and by popular request, I've had, wow, probably 15 people saying, why don't you make some videos on the Aliencell while you're doing your beta testing? And videos are a pain in the butt to make. They take a long time. But I figured I'll just do this one quickly. No video, just the video that you see there. And make a few people happy anyway. So this is going to be a quick video. This is a quick 5-minute video today. And it's just giving you a demonstration of one of the tests that I'm doing. So I am currently prototyping a tic-tac-toe game, and I figured that this would be a good opportunity to videotape this. So I got my police body cam and dropped it inside the laser there. This is running in Lightburn, so in Lightburn you don't get the camera feature that you get in their software. So I just dropped my body cam in there and took some footage. This is running in Lightburn version 2.0.03, and this is the X1 40 watt. The engraving that you're seeing going on there is running at 36,000 millimeters per minute, which is 600 millimeters per second. The LPI on that is 275. And then when the cut starts, it's going to be at 833 millimeters per minute. And I do have that set very conservative. So on this particular 3mm MDF core true flat plywood, I was able, in my tests, as you can see up there in the top left corner, I was able to cut it at 925, but I figured I'd back it up because I'm going to take this video and I want to make sure everything cuts through cleanly. So that's what I did. I backed it up to 833. That's 13.88 millimeters per second for you people that use millimeters per second. So this did a nice clean job on this. There's lots of smoke because I went a little bit too slow on the cut, and it is MDF core. So when you're using an MDF core like this or cutting regular MDF, you're going to get a lot of smoke. That's just the way it is. But I have the air assist set on high, and that setting on high is 14.5 psi. So as compared to the other lasers out there like X-Tool or Rolly Automation, they're right at about 4 psi. So you do get better cutting. This truly outperforms in every way my X-Tool 40 watt, the S1 that I've got. And that's where I started with my settings, was from that library I developed for the S1. And I just found out right away that those settings were not good for this laser. So it was just burning up everything. And I know they're both 40 watts, so not quite sure what the difference is. But we're getting to the end of this video now. We're getting down to the final cuts. I think this took right at 4 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to put a little overlay on the screen that'll do a count up so that you can see the exact time. But I'm pretty sure it was like right at 4 minutes. And there it goes. It's finishing right now. And we can take a look at it, take it out of the laser. And again, this is true flat plywood. This is the cloth edition. It's got a cloth backer on, or a cloth veneer on top and bottom. This is all live time, by the way. So everything cut out very cleanly. And I'll put up a picture of this in a moment where you can actually see what the final product looked like. There you go. So there's the final product. So for all you people that have been asking, here is one of the demo tests that I'm doing. I'm doing all types of demo tests on this, and I'm making some projects along the way. So there is your demo. I hope that satisfies the people that have been asking. Maybe I'll make a couple of more as we go, because I know lots of people are on the fence about this, but it seems to be doing a really good job so far. So there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.